Hi everyone, again back to show you how to make your homemade spice powder mix from my book. Okay, so this is also going to be a very quick video. What you would need is one bay leaf, half a teaspoon of peppercorns, about 3 pieces of cinnamon stick that I've broken, 1 star anise, about 8 cloves, 6 cardamoms, 1 tablespoon of fennel, and 1 tablespoon of cumin. So we are going to just roast this again lightly and then grind it in the blender. And this need not be very fine or smooth. It could be a little rough. So just keep watching. We're going to start roasting. Okay, so this we need not heat everything separately. We're going to heat it all together. Okay, we are roasting on medium heat so that it doesn't get burnt. This is just to warm the spices. May take around 3 minutes. Not even 3 minutes, maybe like 1.5 to 2 minutes. This has roasted sufficiently. I'm switching off and going to let it cool. I let it remain in the same pan, let it roast in the residual heat, and then going to grind it in the blender, and I show you the end result. So our spice powder is also ready. No need to sift this or make it smooth. That this spice powder tastes much better than your store-bought garam masala. So do try it out and let me know how it comes out for you. Please like and share my video, and as always subscribe to my YouTube channel. So this is our allspice powder that I just showed you.